So here I am on Honolulu Harbor. Now, this is where all the fishing boats come in and drop off their catch that go to the auction. Now, restaurants and industrial areas like this are usually a hit or miss. But from what I hear, Nico's at Pier 38 is a home run.
This is where all the fish caught in the Hawaiian waters get unloaded and sold the same day.
Is this awesome or what? Diners, drive-ins and dives, and fish market. This is crazy.
Yeah.
What is this?
That's a big marlin. That's a big mai.
What is that one?
This one is the opah, or moonfish.
Look at the size of it.
Yeah, it can go up to 100, 150 pounds.
Now, will they break it down for you?
Yes, you take care of it. That's gonna be our special today.
Look at that. You have got to be kidding me.
Okay. That's the line of the opah. That's the best part of it.
We're back to the restaurant?
You're back to the restaurant. Opah.
Where Nico's putting his own twist on this Hawaiian favorite.
Opah with crab stuffing.
And scratch-made watercress cream sauce.
Fantastic.
So we got the opah ready to go. Take the skin off. From there, we're gonna cut about a 7-ounce portion.
Pretty firm fish.
Really moist. It cooks really well.
Okay, so now what happens?
So now we're gonna fill it up with a crab stuffing, add it with onion, celery, garlic, saute with olive oil. We deglaze it with white wine. Fresh thyme, and we added crab meat. Smash it up, Dijon mustard, cayenne pepper, heavy cream, some panko at the end to thick it out. 15 minutes in the fridge and ready to go.
The filet is so thin, how are you gonna stuff it?
I'm just gonna go right on top, cut all the way down, and then stuff it with a crab meat.
Yeah, so you're doing an open
An open space, open. Next, seasoning with white pepper and salt.
Open time.
Olive oil. We add the fish, crab side down first.
Quick both sides. Finish in the oven.
10 minutes, it'll be ready.
Now what happens?
We're gonna make a watercress cream sauce. Some olive oil, onions, garlic, dry thyme, whole lemon peel,
The whole lemon peel.
white wine.
You have the TV hand, the pour.
Add on chicken stock,
That's reduced down. Now we have the cream.
reduce down until thicken up. Strain it
All right, see that? See the teamwork?
in that blender. Are you strong or
Oh, yeah.
twist it?
Yeah, you got it. Aye.
Nice fresh watercress. Put the whole thing down.
Easy, Frenchman.
Jalapenos. Okay.
Jalapeno.
Jalapenos.
Peño. It's peño.
The green thing.
Put the lid on it.
It's ready to go. We're just gonna blend it. That's it.
That looks great.
Here's the opah out of the oven.
It just doesn't look right putting it into a to-go container.
You're right. The watercress cream sauce right over the fish.
Look at that. Crazy good. That bite right there, that's $1 million money bite. The watercress with the jalapenos in it is out of bounds. I think I could take some of this, smear it on that lid, and then eat lid. The stuffing is dynamite too. Dude, I mean, it's...
It's all homemade and, you know, trying it out.
Hear that? Thunder from the heavens. What?
Grilled opah with the watercress cream sauce. It's fresh, it's light.
Has the perfect texture, perfect taste.
I love bringing Triple D to the islands, man. I've been to Oahu, I've been to Maui, I've been to Molokai. Finally, I make it to the big island of Hawaii. So what do I do when I come here? I'm looking for some locals food. That is, if you're looking for some Filipino, Hawaiian, American twist, oh, I got your joint. It's right here. It broke them out grinds.
Garlic furikake chicken.
Furikake chicken is so awesome.
It is like taking the best piece of southern fried chicken and upping it up a notch.
The sauce is like a sweet, garlicky sauce that is like amazing.
First, we're gonna start with the marinade for the chicken.
Yes, sir. Soy sauce.
A little bit of brown sugar, just 2 teaspoons or 4 pounds.
White sugar. Black pepper.
A mess of garlic.
A mess of garlic. Furikake.
So you got the dried seaweed and the sesame seeds.
Yeah, that's it. Bring it to a boil for 3 minutes.
Yeah, we're gonna marinate the chicken in this.
No, we're gonna deep fry it first.
We're gonna deep fry the chicken and then put this on it.
Yeah.
Boneless but skin-on chicken thighs, dusted in the flour, a little bit of granulated garlic.
Yeah. Now our chicken is ready to fry. 12 to 15 minutes.
What temperature is the fryer?
350. In Hawaii, we say tree.
350. Next up,
Chili pepper
chili
water.
wada.
Hawaiian rock salt. Minced garlic. The sriracha. Sweet chili sauce. And Hawaiian chili peppers.
Get that with an immersion blender. And where's this sauce gonna go?
It goes on everything.
This is gonna give you the tang, the sweet, and the
tang,
heat.
The sweet. It'll make you dance.
You don't want to see that. Chicken fries up, boom, it's done.
And we're just gonna dip it into the sauce. You just cut it up, like so.
3 thighs. Load it up, chef.
Just give it an extra drizzle on top. Furikake.
That's how you get it done right there. Is this more Filipino or more Hawaiian?
That's more of like a Hawaiian local
That's my kind of food right there.
All right.
The crunch of the chicken, outstanding. Like over the top. The sweet that you're getting from the dip with the soy, brown sugar, and the garlic, it's great. But it's the contrast that you get from the chili water makes it sing.
Woo.
You ain't wearing board shorts after you eat this. You're a mumu.
The garlic furikake chicken.
The chicken is absolutely incredible. The sauce has this syrupy flavor to it with a real sweet back end.
It's super tender on the inside. It's really crunchy.
Yeah.
It's like a luau in your mouth.
Dancers and everything. What do you got now? We got a restaurant that's delivering great flavors. This is Hilo Bay Cafe. What are we doing on the menu today?
We're gonna do our chicken pot pie.
The chicken pot pie is actually my favorite. It's filled with mushrooms.
Nice little curry flavored in there. It's really good.
Eating a pot pie at a joint like this, it better be an elevated chicken pot pie.
We brine whole birds.
Okay.
We're gonna start off with water, sugar,
Garlic, got it. Onions,
bay leaves,
peppercorn.
fresh thyme,
All right, how long is that gonna go?
about a half an hour.
Hit some ice to cool it down.
Pour the cooled brine over the chicken. 24-hour brine.
Now we're gonna roast it off in the oven at
425
Okay.
for half an hour, and we let it slow down.
low and slow. Now when it comes out, we're gonna pull the skin and shred the meat. All this work for chicken pot pie.
That's correct.
Okay, into the base.
Pound of butter, mirepoix. Add in some curry powder.
Why the curry powder?
That just sets it apart.
Is it just that little back note? Did I hula? That or I'm having an issue.
You might want to get that checked out.
Check my equilibrium.
Hit it with some salt,
Fresh cracked black pepper.
fresh thyme.
Next up,
We build the roux. Add in flour. Once that's all incorporated, we're gonna add in our veg stock and let it tighten up. Then we add the heavy cream.
and some peas.
That's it right there. Now we're gonna make the pie crust. Flour, shortening.
This is definitely a swimsuit dish.
We can hit the salt in there.
Okay?
You wanna assist with the water?
I don't know if I can drink it all, but I'll give it a try. If you...
Go for it. Perfect.
The key is to really break up that shortening inside of this.
We're gonna rest this.
Then we'll roll it out.
We do one fold,
Okay?
roll it out until we get it to the thickness that we want it, and then this, you might know what that is.
Which, of course, it's a hat. It's a bad megaphone.
It's a 1-gallon mayonnaise jar.
That's what it was.
This is what we use to cut out our pot pie
That's
shells.
the size dome we're putting on top?
Yep. Grab our pot pie filling. We take some ali'i mushrooms.
Ali'i?
Yep, they're a king oyster mushroom.
Okay.
Some of our shredded chicken, top it with our pot pie shell. Bake it off at 450 degrees for 15 minutes. Ooh, that's hot. And then our local green salad and creamy garlic dressing.
Look at those layers. See that? There's a few things I don't like people to mess with. Philly cheesesteaks. The other would be a pot pie. But when somebody put curry in there, you put just the right amount of curry. It almost adds more rich chicken stockish sweetness to it. But the mushrooms are the big thing right there. I mean, look at that monster. Well done, chef.
Thank you, sir.
Well done.
I have a chicken pot pie for you.
I love the combination of the hot gravy and that crispy crust.
It's quite a rush in terms of taste.
The pastry is so buttery and flaky. It's not your normal pot pie.
So I'm here in Maui, just up the street from the Andaz Hotel. It's a husband and wife team. She does the baking, he scratch makes everything, and I'm telling you, everyone talks about it. This is Matteo's Osteria.
This food is amazing.
You can taste a little bit of old Italy in there.
The lamb buco.
The lamb buco is like a special treat. The shank is ginormous. The saffron risotto is really good. Not something that you would expect to find in Hawaii.
Now what are we making?
Braised lamb. We start seasoning with salt and pepper. Oil on a pan.
Shearing off all the shanks.
We're ready to
Sweat the veggies.
a sprig of rosemary, garlic, red wine, bay leaves, tomato sauce, the veal demi, chicken stock.
You make that too.
Of course, with salt and pepper. Put this liquid in there, cover, and put in the oven. 275 for 3 hours.
What are we gonna serve this with?
The saffron risotto,
You had me at risotto, pal. I got my laugh track over here with these two.
butter, onions, rice,
The arborio or carnoli or what kind of?
carnaroli.
Carnaroli. Carnaroli.
I toast the rice before deglazing with a dry white wine.
Love it.
Let it evaporate the wine. The stock is very important that we add slowly. We don't want to boil the rice.
The best way to make a really good risotto is to bring your 24-year-old son in and say, come in here and stir this. Let's go get a glass of wine.
Why
there
did
you
I
go.
see that coming from like a mile away?
Hey.
Don't blow this.
Oh, chef, this looks fantastic.
Well, I hope we're doing this right.
It's time to add the saffron in the risotto.
Keep stirring.
This one is 18 minutes.
18 minutes. Let's take a look around. Let's go see
Yeah.
the wine room.
Yeah.
See you guys in a bit.
I think they're gonna be proud of us. I think so.
The final step is the cold butter, Parmesan cheese.
Look at that.
So this is our shank.
You gotta be kidding me.
The little bit of vegetables, carrots, braised liquid, yeah, is the jus.
Is this a little gremolata we're finishing this?
Oh yeah. It's lemon zest, garlic, parsley, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper.
Gorgeous looking plate.
I think I can almost take this apart with my eyes.
That is so difficult to watch.
What is this?
Chef, the risotto is perfect, delicious, and creamy. The gremolata is that much needed acidity because you got rich risotto, you got a rich shank. When you get the bite of the shank with the jus, with the risotto, with the butter and the parm, that's the bite.
How much longer is this gonna last? So mean.
2 lamb osso buco in the window.
As soon as you see the osso buco come to your table, your mouth starts to water, and it's just amazing.
And the risotto is exceptional. All this flavor.
So New York City's got its classic pizza joints. In Chicago, well, they got the hot dog stands. Cali got the taquerias. So it's only fitting that Hawaii would have poke places. You know, kind of like the Hawaiian soul food, the fresh cubed fish mixed with the Hawaiian salt and the seaweed. So here we are at a joint where a young local chef has taken his culinary education and experience and put his own spin on a traditional Hawaiian favorite. Welcome to Poke Stop.
Salmon poke. It's delicious.
Let's get the poke on.
All right, so we got here a side of salmon. All we're gonna do is cut the belly out. And then we're gonna fillet this bad boy. Bam.
Bam. He's throwing around the bam.
Cube it, all right? Put it in a bowl. Sweet onions here.
Oh, by the way, I'm the host of the show. There's no bigger armband than mine. Using Emerald's line and wearing my wristband. Okay.
Green onions, Hawaiian salt.
Even those big pieces of salt like that, that's gonna break down fast enough?
It's gonna break down. And you take a bite and you have some crunch in there. Unbelievable. Some chili flakes, gives it some heat. Some furikake.
Some seaweed and toasted sesame seeds and a little dried bonito flake.
A pinch of sugar. Soy syrup, reduced down.
Do you make this?
Yes, we do.
So sweet soy we call
Sweet
it
soy,
when you buy it.
yeah. Once we season it, it's ready to go. A couple stirs, we're snacking.
And then now starting to, there we go. Look at that right there. And that's all the flavor packed into that. That's great.
Thank you.
Mega gangster fresh. Sweet to salt, a little sour, a little bit of spice. Nothing is overpowering anything else. Dude, you know what the kicker is? Get that little crunch of the sea salt. One of the best ways I've had salmon. You're gonna love this.
Very tender, very moist, bursting with flavor.